Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay Our National Hero Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam was the founder of Pakistan. He was born in Karachi on 25th December 1876. He received his early education in a local school. He went to England for higher education. He passed bar at law from London. When he came back, he started his legal practice. In short time, he became one of the best lawyers of his time. He wanted to work for the freedom of his country. He joined the Indian National Congress. After some time, he left the Congress and joined All India Muslim League. He organized the Muslim League. In short time, it became a strong party. In March 1940, All India Muslim League demanded division of India into two states, one of the Hindus and other for the Muslims. Quaid-e-Azam led the struggle for Pakistan. At last, Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. He was the man of principles. He never compromised over principles. He worked hard to achieve his goal. He died on September 11, 1948.